EDaily conversation.
Thinking about leave.
I feel very tired these days.
You have been working very hard lately.
Yes, I have a lot of work to finish.
Maybe you need to take a day off.
I was thinking about that today.
It is good to take a break sometimes.
I want to rest and relax at home.
That sounds like a good idea.
But I am not sure how to ask my boss.
You can ask politely and clearly.
I do not want to cause any problems.
If you explain your situation, it will be okay.
I hope my boss understands me.
Your boss will understand if you are honest.
I will choose a good time to ask.
That is important.
I will speak to my boss this afternoon.
That sounds like a good plan.
I feel a little nervous about asking.
That is normal.
I will try to be confident.
Yes, just speak calmly.
I will prepare what to say first.
That will help you feel ready.
Talking to boss.
Excuse me, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes, what do you want to discuss?
I would like to ask something about my schedule.
Please, go ahead.
I want to request a day off.
When would you like to take the day off?
I would like to take a day off this Friday.
Is there any special reason?
Yes, I would like to explain.
Please tell me your reason.
I have been feeling very tired recently.
I see.
I think I need some rest to recover.
Have you finished your current tasks?
Yes, I have completed most of my work.
That is good.
I will also prepare everything before I leave.
That is responsible of you.
I do not want to delay any work.
I understand your situation.
Explaining reason.
I have been working overtime for many days.
Yes, I noticed that.
I feel very tired and need some rest.
It is important to take care of your health.
I agree with you.
Will one day be enough for you?
Yes, one day will help me recover.
What will you do on your day off?
I will stay at home and rest.
That sounds like a good plan.
I will also organize my personal things.
That is fine.
I will return to work with more energy.
That is important for your performance.
I want to do my job well.
I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you for listening to me.
You are welcome.
Getting answer.
I understand your situation clearly.
Thank you for understanding.
You can take a day off this Friday.
That is great news.
Please make sure your tasks are completed.
I will finish everything before Friday.
Also, inform your team about your absence.
Yes, I will tell my team today.
That will help everyone prepare.
I will make sure everything is ready.
Good.
Thank you for giving me permission.
You are welcome.
I will come back refreshed.
I hope you have a good rest.
I will take care of myself.
That is important.
Saying thank you.
Thank you very much for your understanding.
You are welcome.
I really appreciate your support.
It is no problem.
I will do my best when I return.
That is what I expect.
I feel very relieved now.
That is good to hear.
I will complete my work before my day off.
Thank you for being responsible.
I will also help my team prepare.
That is very helpful.
Thank you again for your kindness.
You are welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day.
I will get back to work now.
Okay, keep up the good work.